Getting on a bus in this country is quite the ordeal. First, the bus station was a mix of big mall, shopping center, everything. You go and get your boarding pass at the ticket center, you don't pay. You somehow get on the bus, you finally ask, 5 or 6 people, obviously. Someone comes around and gives you a blue ticket. You still haven't paid yet, okay? But eventually you'll pay. You'll get to the ferry station and eat this quite yummy soup. It's called hot mummy.